Poodl token, the future of DeFi. This token has been creating a lot of noise over the crypto space, so we'll be checking out the official page as well as their marketing plans that they have posted on their official Twitter page. And of course, if you guys stay tuned to the end of the video, we'll do some price prediction and some technical analysis. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. We got over 30,000 DEX holders, so this is a big community. Poodl is a BEP20 deflationary self-LP generating token that is powered by the work and idea of its community. Together with our 3D NFTs and augmented reality app, we are taking the whole NFT world one step further, calling it NFT 2.0. And I like the sound of that because there is like a trend of that 2.0 going on right now, and we need to stay on top of things right now. So we keep your investment secure. So we got a 5-year LP being locked. Verified channels, so their Twitter's verified, their Telegram. I've already done some of my own due diligence. None of this is financial advice, so you guys should definitely do your own. But I did go to their Twitter page. We'll check it out in just a bit, and check out their Telegram. It's very active. Also, they passed a security audit, so that's pretty good to know. We got the get passive income through our tokenomics. So 2% goes back to the holders. 2% goes to marketing, 1% was burned, 0.5 is to the charity, and a 0.5 goes to the liquidity. I'll have the contract address and these official links down in the description down below. We got ambitious roadmap, so 10% of the iOS app is almost done. The Android app is up and running. We got 2D NFT collection almost done. So these are some of the ambitious roadmap steps that they have lined up in front. I like the way they got it set up. So we got the bridging, currently gathering funds in order to set up the first bridge. At the same time, narrowing down the first network to bridge 2. So this is pretty cool. Almost halfway through that point, and that'll be a huge step right there. We got community projects that they're working on, and of course, some of the things that they've done and already released: the 3D NFTs, the Poodle pets and the AR pets, website relaunch, AR NFTs, app Android. Like I said, the Android side of things is running, and they're almost done to get the iOS. So that's pretty cool. 3D NFTs with actual use case. So basically, you'll be able to use your NFTs inside their augmented reality app. So that's pretty epic right there. And also, you'll be able to earn some tokens as well. So this is play to earn. So this is pretty epic. We have best part of the community is right here. We got Poodl is a token that is driven and supported solely by its community. With over 30,000 holders, the token has a very even distribution of incentives, holding and collaborating, making Poodl a successful project. All right. So I'm going to ask the Poodl community to go ahead and light up the comments down below if you guys can, and let the Moneybags community know why they do not want to miss out. I highly advise everybody to go to the Telegram. I like to see a very active community. Now let's look at their marketing that they got planned. They have partnered up with Everrise. This is a good sign when tokens do this. As we can tell, we got 7,000 likes and 7,000 retweets. I'm going to come over here and make sure that we like and retweet this because this is huge right here. Let's go ahead and scroll up, and we got this. We have just agreed a marketing package. Expect to see our BSC gem in some of the biggest publications in crypto. Not because the market's on fire, but because our project is. Okay, so the project is on fire and it deserves to be seen. So we're going to come over here and like and retweet this. I like to see a community like this. We can see them pulling up over 8,000 retweets, over 9,000 likes. That is huge right there. And now we're going to look at these ranges that we have right now in the short term, and we can see that these ranges priorly in the past, we've hit this price and rocked all the way up to this 97.55. So right now we're looking at the same support levels that we had before. In the short term, we could see a test at the 50.28, and then after that, I think we'll go to erase that zero. When we get to attacking this section over here, we'll make some new videos, especially if I see this community pulled up. So make sure you guys smash the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure the bell notifications lit up. So like that, you guys do not miss out on any daily content. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.